Afternoon guys. Quick question. How you guys feel about the vlog so far? Comment down below. I'm super hungry right now. Haven't eaten since I woke up. So I'm heading out to get some food right now. Let's go. 打包饭。白饭。这个是鱼啊。这个是OK。白饭啊，一包白饭跟一包什么饭？连咖喱菜。First bite. Actually, I was planning to go to work for GrabFood later, but got a change of plan. Right now, I'm going to head out to find my friends, Joanne and Desmond. If it was a normal day, I'll probably still go to work and not go out. But the reason why today I'm going out to find them is because they got married today. Happy for them. Let me get sweet. This 这个好不好吃？这样没有3分的。几 gram 的咩？不一定的。是多重？我不懂哎，你拿这个蛮重的。Octopus? Oh my god! It's shit. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I didn't sample it. Crazy octopus. 有那个烧的。拿这个 sunset. 台湾的烧的。哦，这个很像西面弄啊。看起来是卖最好的。啊，这个也是没有。你有买过没？小时候了。小时候你在哪里买？小时候我就是很，这个也是蛮喜欢吃的。I'm his paparazzi. Yell一下。Okay. Stop it now. Happy boy. Only $6.40 for all this delicious candy. My phone only left 5%, so unfortunately I can't film anymore. So we will talk when I'm home. Bye. I'm back home. Edited all the video footage already. Even got a hair wash. I'm gonna head out and go for a run because today we ate too much stuff. Maybe not we, but personally for me, I ate too much for myself and I got tons of energy even though it should be my bedtime right now, but I need to go for a run first. So that's what I'm gonna do. Lastly, super happy for my bros that just got married, Desmond and Joanne. Congrats to both of you and hope you guys last forever. Like I don't know what should I say, but I'm super happy for them and they are like my best friends. So yeah, very glad that they got married. Yeah, I'm just not good at all this kind of shit, but yeah, hope to see you on my next video. Bye.